We knew this water crossing was deeper than it should have been. But turning around wasn't really an option anymore. That crossing didn't just happen, it started here. We rolled into camp the night before. No idea how much the conditions had changed overnight. 2 days of rain. Everything was soaked, and we were about to find out just how bad it got.
To squeeze through those 2 trees there.
It didn't take long before things started to get slick. We made it up, but if this was the start, it wasn't looking great. Then we ran into something we weren't expecting. At first, it looked like a closure, but once we saw what was over the hill, there was no way through.
Look.
Road closed.
To motorized vehicles.
And look, this right here has got to be why this road is closed. This whole thing is just gone.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck? Look, there's no road. Used to be a road here.
We had to turn around. Getting up was one thing, but going back down felt worse. That was the moment we realized today wasn't going to be simple.
Got driver.
Much scarier going down it than it was going up it, I can tell you that.
Once we got moving again, things started flowing a little better. The trail wasn't easy, but it felt like we were finally starting to settle into it. The deeper we went though, something still felt off. Then we came up on the deepest mud hole of the day. It looked bad, but not impossible.
I'm so happy about this mud hole.
At this point, there was only one way through.
Give it the beam, baby!
And just like that, we were through. Honestly, it felt easy. We kept pushing forward, and for a minute, it actually felt like we had things figured out. And then we saw it. This was deeper than anything we'd hit all day. You could actually feel the current pushing us sideways. And somehow, it just kept going. That water crossing pretty much decided how the rest of the day was gonna go. After that, we knew we'd pushed it far enough. It's crazy how fast things change out here. One minute it feels easy, the next, you're just hoping everything holds together. And this time, it did. Remember, we're all explorers in our own way. So get out there, forge your path, and make memories that last a lifetime. Thanks for watching.